How can I get this pan from looking like this to this? In today's video, I am going to share how to properly care for your stainless steel cookware by using Barkeepers Friend. This is a must-see video, so hold on tight. Hello and welcome back, my friends. Can you believe how this pan, oh my God, I really need to restore it to its glory days when I took it out of the box. So in order for me to do that, I will need to use the Cookware cleanser and polish by Barkeepers Friend. I'm gonna need a toothbrush to get into those crevices and a scrubbing brush or pad. Then in my sink, I'm gonna sprinkle some of the Barkeepers Friend. I like to start on the outside of the pot or pan and then work my way inside. And then using a little bit of elbow grease, I like to just remove those, burnt on food and stains that happens to your pots and pans when you're cooking. And so I found this product and I'm telling you that this really does help to take out all of those old cookware stains and really make your pots and pans look like new again. I mean, this is a must go-to product that you should have, especially if you have stainless steel cookware. Now, this KitchenAid cookware set was gifted to me by my husband for my birthday last year. And I'm telling you that I absolutely love this pans, especially for my cooking videos. So I always have to have them looking amazing, okay? But in the process of cooking, they will pack on and have some stains that are really tough to get out with just regular soap and water. And believe me, I've tried using baking soda with vinegar and with Dawn, and nothing took out these stubborn stains until Now, despite its similar appearance to baking soda, Barkeepers Friend is not the same because it is made from an oxalic acid, a powerful cleaning chemical that can break down hard to move marks, grime, and dirt with ease. Believe me, once you put this powder, all you have to do is just wait in a matter of seconds. Now, for those tougher stains, of course, you're gonna have to use a little bit of that elbow grease to help you kind of remove those stubborn stains as you see in this video. The hard work really pays off. The end result, I'm telling you, I was like, my mouth stayed wide open because for the longest time, I was looking for a product that was really going to restore my stainless steel cookware. And so I am happy that I came across the Barkeepers Friend. Once I'm done removing all of those stubborn stains, I complete the cleaning process by adding a little bit of soap and water and just making sure that any excess or powder is removed from the pan. And so I'm telling you that if you would like to restore your stainless steel cookware, aluminum or bronze, whichever ones you use, make sure that you add the Barkeepers Friend to your cleaning products to have on hand. Please let me know in the comments down below if you enjoyed this video. And you can also show me that you love my content by subscribing and liking this video, and make sure to share it with your friends and family. In my videos, you will find a lot of delicious cooking recipes, cleaning hacks, and everything that has to do inside of your kitchen. I mean, this is a wow factor. This pan literally looks like it's brand new and I'm taking it out of the box for the first time. This is not a sponsored video. I was looking for a cleanser to help bring back the glorious look of my cookware set, and I happened to come across Barkeepers Friend, and I'm glad that I did. It did an amazing job, and it is something that I'm going to continue to use in my kitchen. Look at the before picture and look at the after picture. Is this not a wow factor? Yes, it is. My friends, this is the end of the video. Thank you so much for hanging with me. I will catch you next time. Bye.